Whatever your age, energy powers every single one of your body's functions. And that energy is made in your 37 trillion cells produced in your mitochondria. And all that energy depends on an enzyme inside each cell called NAD+. Without NAD+, your life literally would not exist. But NAD levels decline with age. In fact, you normally have half your youthful level by the time you're in your late 50s. It's a bit like a battery that's running down and losing its charge. That decline in cellular energy is because more and more NAD+ is being used to combat DNA damage, immune system decline, and other causes of aging. And that's why declining NAD+ is linked to a rise in many health problems that start to arise in your late 50s, early 60s. So, scientists have been researching how you can increase your NAD levels to support health generally and healthy aging in particular. The secret is deep within your cells. This is a greatly magnified illustration of part of a cell. NAD needs to be activated by two forms of vitamin B3, called Nicotinamide Riboside mainly, but also with some nicotinamide. The activated NAD+ then enters the mitochondria within your cells. Now the mitochondria can produce energy in the form of a molecule called ATP. You'll also see that NAD+ activates genes called sirtuins that repair DNA. And that DNA repair mechanism is vital for health and longevity, which is why sirtuins are called longevity genes. So, nicotinamide riboside, and to a lesser extent nicotinamide, are vital precursors for energy production and DNA repair. You can get some nicotinamide riboside from your diet, from milk and yeast, for example, but not nearly enough to replenish lost levels of NAD+ as you get older. Now, declining energy, cell energy, really is like a battery running down, with more and more NAD+ being used to counteract the accumulated forces that age you: inflammation, free radical damage, DNA damage, and genetic errors. But over the last few years, multiple studies have shown that supplementing with nicotinamide riboside and a small amount of nicotinamide can safely increase NAD levels. This successfully keeps mitochondria functioning properly and increases cellular energy. Energy needed to power your heart, brain, vision, muscles, and immune system. Now, let's briefly return to the illustration of how NAD+ is created and used. In the outer membrane of the cell is another enzyme called CD38. Unfortunately, CD38 consumes and suppresses the production of NAD+. And of course, if NAD+ is being consumed by CD38, there is less available for your energy and for DNA repair. And so, increasing NAD+ with nicotinamide riboside without also reducing the loss of NAD+ caused by the activity of CD38 is rather like trying to fill up a leaky bucket. Fortunately, research biologists have discovered that a natural nutrient called Apigenin, and found especially in dried parsley and chamomile, can help prevent CD38 from suppressing and consuming so much NAD+. By combining nicotinamide riboside with Apigenin, you boost the production of NAD+, and simultaneously reduce the drain on NAD+. Now all this is why Uni-Vite's NR+A, that's nicotinamide riboside plus Apigenin, was developed. Its unique double action safely increases cellular energy to support healthy aging, especially as your heart and brain use a disproportionate amount of your energy. And that's why Uni-Vite's NR+A could help you stay younger than your years.